Made me think back to when we were doing all those concerts at the Motown Harley-Davidson. We're doing concerts with Mountain, Fog Hat, Humble Pie, Confederate Railroad. I mean, we had a list of really cool bands we got to open up for, those outdoor concerts. But they would wrap up this time of year. The guys would start putting their motorcycles away. We tried to think of a song we could write that would fit in with those motorcycles. You get your bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more. You get your bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more. You get your bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more. You feel the wind in your hair, you just don't have a care. You feel the wind in your hair, you just don't have a care. You get your bad gear jammer, you don't have a care. You get your bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more. You get your bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more. You get your bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more. So you kind of hear the beat of the guitar. Bum, 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 bum. That's like the beat of a Harley-Davidson motor. Get the bad motor scooter, I wanna ride some more.